Hi, my name's Kate from Pawson Media, and today I just want to talk to you a little bit about Canva. Now, Canva is great for creating images for blog posts, for social media, anything really that, is something that you need to do quickly, and perhaps doesn't need the efforts of a graphic designer. Now, I'm not saying don't hire a graphic designer. Images for your website, your homepage, those types of images, I think, it's best spending the money to get those done professionally. But if you want to create images that you can share on Facebook, for example, which is what we're going to look at today, I think this is a great tool. It makes it affordable. You can get images off here for $1, or you can use your own images, and it's something that you can do quick and easily, and it's easy to duplicate as well. So firstly, you want to create an account with Canva, so I'll leave you to do that. You don't need me to show you that. And what we're going to do is we're going to create a Facebook post. Now, you will see across the top here all the different sizes. Look, you've got social media, presentation, poster, you can make Facebook covers, Instagram posts, graphics. So all of the sizes that you need. Before, you used to actually have to look these sizes up, but now they're actually already in there. So it's really easy just to select the one that you want. So we're going to go ahead and do Facebook post. And what I want to show you today is how to do an inspirational quote that you can share on Facebook that does tend to generate quite a lot of interest. Now, I'm just going to do it very basic. There are loads and loads of features on Canva. You'll get lost in it once you get started. But this is just to give you an idea of how to do a very quick one very easily. So for this particular one, I'm going to put a background on it. So I just want to get some background color. Okay, so we're going to choose red, and if you wanted to do a specific color and you knew the hex code for it, you can actually enter these in here. So if you have a logo and it has a couple of colors in it, your designer would have given you those two codes, so you could use those on your background, your text, whatever it might be. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add an image to it. So you can use images from Canva. You just search the images that they have, or you can use images that you've uploaded from elsewhere. And for this one, I'm just going to upload a free image, one that I've actually got from the internet for free. I checked it out, and I've uploaded it. And to do that, you just click on upload your own images, search where you're going to find the file, and it drags it up to the desktop here for you. So to move it across, just drag it across here, and we're going to have this little dartboard. You see how here you can resize it. Okay, so that's going to be our main image. Okay, you see I have lots of other images here that I've been using. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some text to it. Now when you're adding text, you can click on text. There are different layouts you can use, sort of pre-formatted text. I actually like just to use the add a little body text. So when you click on that, it drags it over here. Usually I go and resize it. It doesn't matter if it's a bit too big or bit too small, but sometimes they're very small, it's hard to read. So I have text here I'm going to use. So the quote is, if you're not consistent, you're non-existent. So I love that quote, and we're just going to go ahead and make it a bit bigger. So it really doesn't matter what size your font is. Don't use any too, what I would call twirly fonts, like some of these, very hard to read. When someone's flicking through Facebook, you want it to be really easy for them to see. So pick something that's, fairly standard, that people can read. Whatever you do. Where is it? I don't even know if they have it on here. Some of these, like coming soon, some of these clicker script, they're just a little bit busy for me. Like some of these, you want something that people can read. You're trying to catch people's attention. So I'm going to center that text. And obviously, if you were doing this for real, you'd probably spend a little bit more time just tidying it up. So you might change that text from white. I kind of like white on a coloured background. So there we are. We have our picture, we have a quote, and the last thing that you have to do is put your logo in. So if you don't have a logo, which you should do, but if you didn't have one, you could actually just put some more text in and type your URL. Or you could put your Facebook page, so facebook.com/whatever. But ideally, you should have a logo. So you can upload your logo as a picture. So let me just scroll down here. So I have uploaded the Pawson Media logo, and I'm just going to resize it a little bit there. Oops. And pop it in. Now, you'll see here that logo, you can barely see that just because of the colour of the background. So there's two things I could do here. I could actually change that text to red, and I could change this background to white. And hey presto, that solves that issue. But I actually don't like that. So a little tip that I've been using lately, and I'm sure there's lots of other ways that you can do this. If you go to the search box and you type in transparent box, I think it is. I hope it comes out. Or was it transparent square? It might come up though. No, it was square. Transparent square, sorry. And what this does is, this actually just gives you like a transparent background that you can actually put behind the logo. So it's a huge box, but all you're going to do is just set it just like that. And what you want to do is push it to the back. Okay? And that actually then means that you can actually see the logo. Okay, you can tidy that up a bit. Now, there's other ways you can do it, but that's actually just a quick way, and what we're talking about is doing this quickly. The other thing is you could have moved that logo over there into that white space there. That's another option. You know, it really depends on the colours you're using and the colour of your logo. But I kind of like that little idea there. Look, just fiddle it around a little bit more. Just to show off your logo a little more. And that transparent box is handy for doing a lot of things. The other thing, maybe you could just actually make the background a little bit more transparent itself. So you could lighten up that background and make that a little bit lighter, you see? And then you probably would get away without having that transparent box. Yeah, that works better. But I kind of like the bright red. Remember, when someone sees stuff on social media, it needs to be bright. It needs to stand out. That kind of looks like a salmon-y colour. It wouldn't be to my taste. But there's a couple of options there. You can make the background more transparent so your logo pops off. Or you can use the transparent little square just to lift your logo out of it. So look, that is just a very basic run through. There are hundreds of millions of things that you can do with Canva, and we're going to go through some more of them over the coming weeks, but I just wanted to show you that there. Look, if you have any questions, you can contact me at kate@pawsomemedia.com or go through the contact form on the website, pawsomemedia.com. Alright, thanks. Have a great day.